How do I wire my GS20 for start-stop? Let's take a look. I want to get this GS20 drive and motor running from this control switch box. This style of control is called 2-wire, so look for that keyword in the quick start guide or manual. We have the drive hooked up to power, but unplugged. The motor is wired to it, and we have proper ground connections. In this example, the cable from the control box has 3 wires. This black wire is attached to the bottom side of the left and right switch positions to act as a common. In my example, the brown wire is connected to the left forward contact, and the red wire is connected to the right reverse contact. Your wire colors may be different, so pay attention to the switch position when attaching the wires to the drive. On the drive side, we will connect the forward wire to the FWD terminal. The reverse wire goes to REV, and the black common wire goes to DCM to complete the circuits. Let's power up the drive and set our parameters. We are at the default parameters, so for this 2-wire start example, we only have to change P00.21, which is our operation command source. We set it to 1, so it's controlled by the external terminals. Once we hit enter, it saves the parameter, and we can go back to verify that P00.21 is set to a 1, which it is. Perfect. After we hit menu a few times to exit the parameter menu, the keypad shows F60. This means our frequency command is 60 Hz. If we hit the menu button once, it changes to H0, and this shows us our actual output frequency. Our motor is clear and ready, so let's put the switch in the forward position. We see the Hertz value on the drive start climbing, and the motor starts spinning clockwise. And it reaches a steady speed at 60 Hz. Now let's switch it all the way over to reverse. The Hertz values start dropping again. Our motor slows down and comes to a controlled stop and immediately starts spinning the other way, this time backwards. The Hertz value climbs to a steady state of 60. Then we switch back to the off position and decelerate back down to 0. Perfect. If your application doesn't fit this exact scenario, or you're having further issues, you can drop a comment below. We also have tech support available to work through it with you. No charge, real engineers. Call them here, or there's a link in the description. For details on the hardware used in the video today, I put links in the description below. That's the basics of 2-wire control on the GS series.